చెప్తూ రాసేయండి మాస్టర్. మామూలు చెప్తూ హెడ్డింగ్ కూడా చెప్తూ రాసేయండి.
కార్బోహైడ్రేట్స్, carbohydrates are one important point of chemistry. These are natural products. These are from natural products. So carbo means carbon. Carbo means carbon. And hydro means water, H2O. Hydro means H2O, water. Carbo means carbon. So దీనిలో మనకి కార్బన్ అండ్ వాటర్ H2Oగా ఉంటుంది. జనరల్ ఫార్ములా CH times H2O by X. This is the general formula of carbohydrates. X is equal to Y is equal to number of. So example glucose. That is C6 H2O 6 times. X is equal to 6. C6 and H2O 6 times. That means C6 H12O6. So that is the glucose. That is the formula of glucose. So glucose and fructose is very important in carbohydrates, mainly glucose. So this is from occurs natural products. Glucose is mainly occurs natural products, that is plants and animals bodies. Plants and animal bodies naturally occurs. So for example, plants are taking carbon dioxide in atmosphere. Plants are taking carbon dioxide from atmosphere and water, భూమిలో ఉన్నది వాటర్ మాలిక్యూల్. Gives rise to. So this reaction is on the light, sunlight. Reaction is sunlight. పగలు జరుగుతుందని అంటాం. Sunlight or UV. So that is C6H12O6 plus oxygen. So it is very important. ఆక్సిజన్ అనేది మనకి బాగా సప్లై చేస్తుంది, O2 అనేది. అలాగే దట్ ఈజ్ కార్బోహైడ్రేట్, పిండి పదార్థం అని కూడా అంటాం. దట్ ఈజ్ కార్బోహైడ్రేట్స్. ప్రోటీన్స్ చూస్తుంది మనకి సడన్గా బాడీలో వాటర్ పోయినప్పుడు డెక్స్ట్రోజ్ చెప్పి మన బాడీకి సెలైన్ ద్వారా పెడుతుంటారు. దట్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో కాల్డ్ కార్బోహైడ్రేట్. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ రియాక్షన్. మనకి కావాల్సినటువంటి ఆక్సిజన్ ఇస్తుంది, అలాగే మన శక్తికి కావాల్సినంత క్రొవ్వు పదార్థాలు, పిండి పదార్థాలను ఇస్తుంది ఈ రియాక్షన్. సో దీన్ని మనం ఏం కాల్ చేస్తామంటే దిస్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ photosynthesis reaction. Photosynthesis reaction. So it is a very important reaction. Carbon dioxide and absorbed water. వాతావరణంలో ఉంటుంది వాటర్ వేపర్. సో ఈ రెండింటినీ తీసుకుని లైట్ సమక్షంలో జరుగుతుంది. సో అక్కడ మనకు కావాల్సినటువంటి ఆక్సిజన్, ప్రాణవాయు, ఆక్సిజన్ అండ్ ఇన్స్టెంట్ శక్తినిచ్చే పదార్థం, వెంటనే శక్తినిచ్చే పదార్థం, దట్ ఈజ్ గ్లూకోజ్ ఆర్ ఫ్రక్టోజ్ ఆర్ పిండి పదార్థం అని కూడా. So this is a very important reaction naturally. So it is only light సమక్షంలో జరుగుతుంది. Okay. Then carbohydrates are divided into sugars తీపి పదార్థం అంటామన్నమాట. స్వీట్ ఇన్ టేస్ట్, పంచదార ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, పంచదార అంటాం మన ఇంట్లో వాడేది. సో దట్ ఈస్ షుగర్స్ అండ్ నాన్ షుగర్స్. Tasteless. Non-sugars are tasteless, but sugars are sweet in taste. Okay, this is also called polysaccharides. Polysaccharides. So polysaccharides and non-sugars, these are same. 10 molecules of carbon and hydrogen ఉంటాయి ఇందులో పాలీసాకరైడ్స్ అంటే. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ స్టార్చ్, అంటాం మన మార్కెట్లో కూడా దొరుకుతుంది. రివైవ్ స్టార్చ్, డెంజ్ పౌడర్, రివైవ్ స్టార్చ్ అంటే స్వీట్లెస్ అన్నమాట ఇది. బట్ దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఆన్ hydrolysis of polysaccharides given into sugars. So non-sugars are converted into sugars by oxidation, by hydrolysis. So again sugars are into two groups. One is polysaccharides and oligosaccharides. Monosaccharides లేదా polysaccharides and oligosaccharides. So this is again into sugars or aldoses. Again into one of the active substance. Aldoses. Aldo means aldehyde. That is glucose. C6H12O6. That is glucose. C6H12O6. దీనిలో ఆల్డహైడ్ గ్రూప్ ఉంటుంది. ఇన్ గ్లూకోజ్ మెయిన్ composition is CHO, aldehyde group. For example, glucose. That is sweet in taste. And other one is ketosis. That means ketones. functional group is ketones. Example, fructose. So same formula, but keto group. Fructose contain keto group. Aldose or glucose contain aldehyde group. Okay? There, this is keto group. So ketose is one. So this is main classification of carbohydrates. This is the main classification of carbohydrates. Okay. Then preparation. Preparation of sugars. So one is in natural atmosphere ఉంటుందని చెప్తున్నాం. ఇదే one is the carbon dioxide and water vapor mixing in the sunlight. వెలుగులో మాత్రమే జరుగుతుంది, సన్లైట్ ఆర్ యూవీ లైట్. సో ఫార్మ్ ఏ గ్లూకోజ్ C6H12O6 glucose. Or another is polysaccharides. Polysaccharides are hydrolyzed into sugars. So glucose is obtained, one is in natural, so other is from polysaccharides. Polysaccharides are hydrolyzed into sugars. That is example of glucose. That is called glucose. ఇక్కడ మనం స్టార్చ్ చెప్పుకున్న ఎగ్జాంపుల్, స్టార్చ్ ఇంటి పదార్థం అంటాం, దాన్ని తీసుకుంటాం. సో దీని హైడ్రాలసిస్ చేసినప్పుడు మనకి షుగర్స్ వస్తుంది, గ్లూకోజ్. సో దిట్ ఈజ్ న్యాచురల్ మెథడ్ అండ్ లార్జ్ మెథడ్ అండ్ లార్జ్ స్కేల్ మెథడ్. So these are two are preparation of carbohydrate. Okay. Next. Hello. Structure of glucose. Structure of glucose. So molecular formula is known. Molecular formula is C6H12O6. Glucose molecular formula is C6H12O6. So they containing carbon and hydrogens and oxygen, but in the glucose or aldose, main functional group is aldehyde. In glucose, main functional group is aldehyde, CHO. So molecular formula is that. Next, glucose are oxidized. Glucose is oxidized. Give gluconic acid. Gluconic acid. So this is the oxidation reaction of glucose. Oxidation reaction of glucose. So indulo oxide means that is gluconic acid. That is gluconic acid. So this means this reaction explains glucose is hydrolyzed into acid. So in the reaction, carbon's number is same. The same number of carbon atoms in gluconic acid or in oxidation reaction. Same carbon atoms. Same carbon atoms. That is aldehyde group. So it indicates aldehyde group in glucose. Aldehyde group is in glucose. Okay. Next one. Glucose react with glucose react hydrogen iodide and phosphorus. Hydrogen iodide and phosphorus is converted into N-hexane. Main compound is N-hexane and hydrohexane. So this is important. N-hexane means it is alkane. N-hexane means it is a hydrocarbons in hydrocarbons and alkane. Alkanes. So in N-hexane structure is straight chain. Straight chain. That is CH3, CH2, 1, 2, 3, 4, CH2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, CH2 and CH3. That is 6 carbons in an hexane. 6 carbons in an hexane. And straight chain structure. An hexane is in straight chain structure and 6 carbons. So glucose is straight chain structure in glucose, straight chain structure and hydrogens. Then another reaction is glucose react with anhydride, acetic anhydride. Acetic anhydride. Acetic anhydride gives, acetic anhydride means CH3 COO twice, CH3 COO twice O. That is acetic anhydride. So glucose react with acetic anhydride form 5-hydroxy compound. 5-hydroxy OH. 5-hydroxy compound, that is called pentaacetyl. Pentaacetyl derivative. Glucose react with anhydride. Anhydride means from carboxylic acid. Anhydride. So pentaacetyl derivative is formed. Pentaacetyl means in glucose structure 5 hydroxyl groups. This means in glucose structure. From these above reactions, so the structure of glucose is so the structure of glucose is 6 carbons in there. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and aldehyde group is there. In glucose, aldehyde group is there. So sixth one is aldehyde. Sixth one is aldehyde, CHO. So these are 6 carbons, straight chain. And this means pentaacetyl derivative. Pentaacetyl derivative means 5 hydroxy groups. 5 hydroxy groups. That is 1, that is 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 hydroxyl groups. These are from acetyl derivative. Glucose reacted anhydride give pentaacetyl derivative. Penta into 5. Penta into 5. 5 hydroxyl groups are there. And the remaining structure is valency of carbon. Sulfide valency of carbon. Carbon valency is 4. Carbon valency is 4. So this sulfide is with hydrogen atoms. Sulfide with hydrogen atoms. So H and H. The hydrogen or carbon is 1, 2, 3, 4. Valence. Valence is 1, 2, 3, 4. That is carbon valence. 4 carbon valences. And H. Any carbon, tetravalence. Any carbon, this structure, tetravalence. So, that is the glucose structure, or called or right, one, two, three, four, five. And lastly, 6 carbon. CH2OH. CH2OH. That is 6th carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbon. So the 6th carbon is form primary alcohol. The 6th carbon is primary alcohol. Okay. And first one is aldehyde, and second, third, fourth, fifth are second, third, fourth, fifth are secondary alcohols. These are secondary alcohols. ఇలా కూడా రాసేయచ్చు. CHOH 5 times. These are secondary alcohols. So in glucose, one aldehyde group and secondary alcohols, and last one is primary alcohol. So that is structure of glucose. This is called open chain. Open chain structure of glucose. So mainly glucose always in open chain structure. Glucose ఎల్లప్పుడూ కూడా ఓపెన్ చైన్ స్ట్రక్చర్ని కలిగి ఉంటుంది. సో దట్ ఈజ్ ఓపెన్ చైన్ స్ట్రక్చర్ ఆఫ్ గ్లూకోజ్. ఓకే, సో దట్ ఈజ్ ఓపెన్ చైన్ స్ట్రక్చర్ ఆఫ్ గ్లూకోజ్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్, open chain structure. Open chain structure is not explained that is cyanohydrin, with HCl, cyanohydrin derivative with HCl, and not formed bisulfite. With sodium bisulfite. not formed in bisulfate and not formed in cyanohydrin derivative and not exhibits glucose open chain structure is not exhibits all is not exhibits all aldehyde group all aldehyde reactions. The open chain structure of glucose is not explained. These reactions and aldehyde and stiff reagent Fehling solution and Tollens reagent and also this is not explained. That means open chain structure is not explained. Open chain structure is not explained. Aromaticity. Mutarotation, that means mutarotation. Open chain structure is not explained. Mutarotation or specific rotation. Metarotation or specific rotation, both are same. So these are fails, these are reactions we not observed in open chain structure. So for these reactions in open chain structure, glucose is having aldehyde group or any other group. Aldehyde group or any other group, that is question mark. So these reactions explain these reactions are explained ring structure. వలయ నిర్మాణం అని అంటాం, రింగ్ స్ట్రక్చర్. రింగ్ స్ట్రక్చర్ ఆఫ్ గ్లూకోజ్. These failures are explained in ring structure. So in glucose structure aldehyde group is not free condition. In open chain structure, the aldehyde group is not free in condition. So this is converted into other group, and also that is ring structure or anyone. So that is the reason of these reactions are failure. In open chain structure, aldehyde group is not oscillate, is not free in condition. So the reason is caused open chain structure is not explained these reactions. Open chain structure is not explained these reactions. So that is so another one is in open chain structure is 4 asymmetric carbons. Open chain structure is 4 asymmetric carbons. So number of isomers is is 2 to the power of n, that is equal to 2 to the power of 4, that is equal to 16 isomers. Or 8 pairs are in glucose. But in glucose, number of isomers is 32, but not 16. Experimentally, number of isomers are 2 to the power of 5 or 32 isomers is there. So these are not explained open chain structure. So then next, ring structure of glucose. That is so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th carbon, and 6th one again CH2. There is no CH2. So in the structure, aldehyde group is not in free. This is also aldehyde group is not free in condition. So the ring is between 1 and 5th carbons. That is called 6-membered ring. 6-membered ring. So number of asymmetric carbons are Number of asymmetric carbons are in ring structure 5. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But not in open chain structure, only 4. Only 4. So this is 5 asymmetric carbons. That is number of isomers. Sorry. 32 isomers. Number of isomers is exactly 32 isomers. So these are 5 asymmetric carbons, and this is the ring structure of glucose. This is the ring structure of glucose. In ring structure, the aldehyde group is not in exist. Aldehyde group is not exist. So that glucose not explain the above reactions. In ring structure, there is no aldehyde group. There is no aldehyde group. So therefore, these reactions are not followed. These reactions are not followed because of no aldehyde group. No aldehyde group in the ring structure. So that is explained. All these points in ring structure. Explained in ring structure. And also mutarotation. Mutarotation means ring structure is explained. Also mutarotation or specific rotation. That is rotation is explained. That is specific rotation. So the open chain structure is in solution. The open chain structure of glucose solution. Glucose solution. Solution with hydrolyzed with water hydrolyzed. So that is CH, OH and CH, OH, OH, H, C, OH, H, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is another form. This is another form. So in C1 structure is left side is hydrogen atom and right side is OH atom. Right side in OH group. In OH group. But this is again form another formula. So in the form C1 carbon, it is C1 carbon. So C1 carbon in the structure is the hydrogen atom in right side. Hydrogen atom in right side, and OH group is in left side. That is different two forms. That is different two forms. One is hydrogen in left side. That is this form is hydrogen is right side. So and OH group is right side, and in the form OH group is left side. So that is the difference two forms. The difference is two forms. So the difference of C1 configuration. The difference of C1 configuration is called both carbons are anomers. 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 Anomers mean in the glucose solution is polarized glucose solution through polarized light. So that is one side 113, that is specific rotation. 113 specific rotation. And gradually decrease, and gradually decrease, తగ్గుతుంది plus 19 degrees. Plus 19 degrees. The angle of rotation is plus 13 to plus 19 degrees. So that is the reason is glucose solution. The glucose solution. There are two forms. One is difference in C1 structure or C1 configuration. So this means in the next structure hydrogen is left side, and this one hydrogen is right side, and this structure OH is right side, and in this structure OH is left side. That is the difference. So that is called anomers. So these carbons are C1. These two carbons are C1 carbons. In this structure and in this structure, C1 carbons are different configuration, or different configurations. So one is alpha plus D glucose and another one is beta plus or D plus beta D plus glucose. It is the difference between these reactions or these structures. So one is alpha glucose, and this is converted into beta the glucose. When specific rotation is plus 113 to plus 19 degrees. Specific rotation or meta-rotation is plus 113 degrees to plus 19 degrees. So that is cause of glucose having a meta-rotation. Glucose is explained meta-rotation or specific rotation. So that is called alpha D-glucose and that is beta D-glucose. So that is the ring structure of glucose. That is the ring structure of glucose. But glucose always in open chain structure. Glucose is always in open chain structure, but not ring structure. But not ring structure. Open chain structure. So అది ఇంకొక కొద్దిగా ఉంది. And pyranol structures. Pyranol structures. Pyranol structures and outer structures. The pyranose is heterocyclic compound. Hetero. Pyranose that is heterocyclic compound. Pyran. Pyran means that is pyran. That is oxygen and three double bonds. That is pyran, 6 carbons atom. Pyran, this carbon. So glucose also exhibit 6 carbons. Glucose is also exhibit 6 carbons. So that's why glucose is form pyranose structure. Pyranose structure. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. CH2 So this is a glucose structure. So this form of pyranose structure is so in this compound these atoms, hydrogen and OH atoms are substituted this. This is the first one carbon, C1 carbon. So in carbon H2OH. H2OH. And the second one is also H2OH. And the third one OHH. Third one OHH. And H2OH. H2OH and again H2OH. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is fifth one. H2OH. This is the fifth one, H2OH. So this is Auroth structure. Auroth. Auroth structure. Auroth structure. This is also called Fischer. This is also called Fischer structure. Fischer structure. So that is alpha D glucose pyranose structure. This is alpha D glucose pyranose structure. Alpha D glucose pyranose structure. And another form is only difference in C1 carbon. Only difference in C1 carbon. That is HOH or in this carbon OHH. Difference between C1 carbon and the remaining same. And the last one is primary alcohol. Primary alcohol. So this is formed into Auroth structure is Auroth structure is only difference in C1 carbon. Only difference in C1 carbon. That is OHH. OHH. But in this first one is HOH. Auroth structure. This is HOH. But this is OHH and H second one HOH. HOH. And OH, and again HOH, and lastly H carbon, and that is sixth carbon. So this is beta D glucose, beta D plus glucose of pyranose structure. Beta D plus glucose of pyranose structure. So that is called the beta D glucopyranose. Beta D glucopyranose structure. So these two are Haworth structures in glucose. Haworth structures. So that is structure of glucose in sugars. Structure of glucose in sugars. And another is fructose. Fructose. That is the same formula. Fructose is same formula. C6H12. Fructose is also same molecular formula, but the difference is in this structure. CO group is first carbon. CO, that means keto group. Keto group is. So difference between glucose and fructose is, in glucose aldehyde group, that is CHO group. CHO group in glucose, and fructose, in fructose keto group, that is CO, first carbon. CO, first carbon, that is keto group. అర్థమవుతారా?